Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the apps in order to find our browser. And as you can see, I've got the default one and the Chrome and also the Opera, but I'll show you how to clear the browser using the Chrome. Usually it works kind of the same in all of the browsers, so basically you will be able to transfer those steps which I will do on the Chrome to any other browser. So as I said, let me enter the Chrome. And now all we have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and find the history. And as I said, the same situation in any other browser, you just have to find the history. And here, as you can see, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to each website. But if in your case this list is so wide and you don't really want to do it manually, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies, sensor data, and cache images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even old time. And basically, if you are happy with your choices and so on, you have to simply tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, we've been automatically transferred to the history, and which is, as you can see, empty. And it simply means that we just successfully removed everything from the history. So we just cleared the browser. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.